Hi, my name is Bill, and I'm a librarian at Manlius Library in Central New York. Today, I'm going to be talking about one of the many great resources we offer at the library. NewspaperArchive.com is a searchable archive of digital images and full text from newspapers in these states: Connecticut, Delaware, the District of Columbia, Maine, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, and Vermont. Included in the collection is a searchable archive of Syracuse newspapers from 1857 forward, which encompasses over 30,000 issues. It's a wonderful tool for general research and also genealogical research. To get started with accessing Newspaper Archive, visit our website at manliuslibrary.org. Navigate to the Research and Learn tab and select Newspaper Archive from our column of Popular Resources, or under Newspapers, on our Research and Learn page. Click the link, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Onondaga County Library card credentials, which are your barcode and PIN. If you don't know your PIN, you can call our library or ask at the front desk. We'll be happy to help you out. Since I've used newspaperarchive.com recently, they didn't need me to sign in again, so they took me right to the home page. If you're a new user, the first thing you'll want to do is create an account, which is free and easy to do. Go to the top right corner, select Create a Free Account, and enter your name, email, and the password you'd like to use. You can then use these credentials to log in for future sessions with the User Login button. Creating a free account allows you to save your work, create a personal archive of your favorite pages, and create saved searches to notify you when relevant content has been added. Newspaper Archive offers several different options to accommodate your searching needs. You can search by name, by keyword, or by publication title from the main bar on the home page. If you scroll down further on the page, you will see options to browse by location, by date, and a glossary listing of publication titles. So let's click the publication title option. So you can see that the first option that comes up is one of our local papers, Syracuse Post-Standard. Let's select it to see what we find. Okay, so we have a lot of options available to us. We can browse by year, we can search by name or by keyword, we can search by a specific date, and we can also see a listing of nearby publications. So let's do a quick search as an example for working with the search results. I'll search for Ben Walsh. He's the current mayor of Syracuse. Okay, so we have over 2,000 records for Ben Walsh. That's a lot to wade through. We should revise our search results to pare that number down. So I'll click the Revise button to do just that. Let's say I want information about him being elected. I know he was elected in the last 5 years, so I'll change the date to only include articles from 2017 on. I can also select front pages only, in case I'm looking for a big story or headline. I could also do a keyword search to pare it down further, in case I'm looking for a specific phrase or subject tied to Ben Walsh. Since I'm looking for the headline, I'll select front pages only. Okay, let's take a look at this first record that's come back. Okay, so this is the front page from Ben Walsh's mayoral victory in 2017. So now that we have this record, there's a lot that we can do with it. We can opt in or out of full screen view. We can save this file as a PDF, a PNG, an uncompressed PNG, or we can save it to our treasure box, which allows us to save resources directly within the site. We have several options to share this page with someone else, and we also have a print functionality. We'll just click out of that for now. And we can crop an image or a story from a front page if we'd like. To do this, we would select the rectangle tool and just crop what we'd like to include. So once we have what we want, let's say that we want to crop the actual breakdown here. of the voting from 2017. So now to finish cropping it, to make sure that we save it, we tag it. And we'll also want to select a clipping folder. We can also create our own clipping folder if we would like. And when we're done, we would create the folder and clip the image. When you're all set with clipping, you'll have a saved copy on the site, as well as an option to download the file that you just clipped. You can change the brightness and contrast of the image if you'd like, and you can zoom in and out of the page that you're working on. If you want to keep looking through the edition you've selected, you can use the arrows to scroll through the pages. Or you can use the keyword search functionality to find the next search result in your document. Thank you for watching our brief overview of Newspaper Archive. If you have questions about using this database, our librarians are happy to help over the phone at 315-682-6400, in person, or via email at help@manliuslibrary.org.